In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and optimize your Google Business profile. This tool, which you may know as Google My Business in the past, is essential for every business looking to enhance its online presence across both Google Search and Google Maps. With a Google Business profile, you have the ability to control key information that your customers will see about your business, such as your opening hours, contact number, and physical location. Moreover, it provides a platform to engage directly with your customers through reviews and messages. So let's dive right into how you can get started and make the most out of this wonderful tool. Firstly, if you haven't already, you'll want to sign into your Google account. This could be your existing business email, or create a new one specifically for this purpose. Once you're signed in, head over to the Google Business Profile website. Here, you'll find the option to either add your business or claim it if it already exists. This step is about locating your business on Google's map, ensuring its placement accurately represents your real-world presence. If it doesn't exist, simply click Add Your Business to Google and fill in the required details. Next up is selecting the right business category, which is essential since it directly impacts how your business appears in searches. Choose the category that best defines what your business does. And remember, you can choose multiple if they fit.
Now's the time to add your location.
If you have a physical store that customers can visit, be sure to make it clear where you're situated. Include additional service areas if you deliver or offer services beyond your main location. Contact information is key in this digital age. Make sure to provide your business phone number and website if you have one, ensuring customers can easily reach out or learn more about your offerings online. Once your basic information is set up, it's time for the crucial task of verifying your business. Google typically sends a postcard to your business address containing a verification code, although alternative methods like phone or email might be available. After verifying, it's on to optimizing your profile. Start by filling out every section of your profile. Hours of operation, special hours, and holiday closures should be up to date. This helps potential customers know when they can reach you or visit. You should also add quality photos to your profile. Images of your storefront, products, and even your team can sharply enhance customer interest. Now engage with your customers. Respond to reviews actively. Quality engagement improves your business's visibility and builds trust among new customers. Answer questions quickly. This helps potential customers make informed decisions faster. Finally, with everything set up, you'll want to regularly review your profile by checking your insights. This data can tell you how customers are finding you and what actions they are taking, giving invaluable feedback to refine your profile or marketing activities. By managing your Google Business profile diligently, you can enhance your local SEO, making your business more visible to those local searches that bring in more foot traffic and potential clients. So, get started today and watch how this tool can transform your online business presence.